Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Transforming your backyard into a stylish and inviting outdoor oasis is a wonderful way to extend your living space and create a relaxing retreat right at home. With a blend of creativity, functionality, and personal touches, you can design a backyard that reflects your lifestyle and provides a versatile space for entertaining, lounging, and enjoying the outdoors. Start by considering the layout and functionality of your backyard. Think about how you want to use the space, whether it's for dining, lounging, gardening, or playing, and create separate zones to accommodate each activity. This could include a dining area with a table and chairs, a cozy seating area with outdoor sofas and lounge chairs, and a designated play area for kids or pets. When it comes to decorating your backyard, consider incorporating elements that add both style and functionality. Opt for weather-resistant furniture and accessories that can withstand the elements and provide long-lasting enjoyment. Choose materials such as wrought tan, wicker, teak, or aluminum that are durable and easy to maintain. Enhance the ambience of your backyard with strategic lighting. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered path lights can add a warm and inviting glow to your outdoor space, making it feel cozy and magical after dark. Consider installing outdoor sconces or pendant lights to illuminate dining and seating areas for added safety and ambience. Incorporate greenery and landscaping elements to add beauty and texture to your backyard. Planting flowers, shrubs, and trees not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space but also provides privacy, shade, and habitat for wildlife. Consider adding a vegetable or herb garden to grow your own fresh produce and add a touch of sustainability to your backyard. Personalize your backyard with decorative accents and accessories that reflect your personality and style. Add throw pillows, outdoor rugs, and decorative cushions in vibrant colors and patterns to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Hang artwork, mirrors, or decorative screens on walls or fences to add visual interest and create focal points in your outdoor space. Don't forget to create opportunities for relaxation and recreation in your backyard. Consider adding a hammock, swing chair, or outdoor daybed for lounging and napping in the shade. Set up a fire pit or outdoor fireplace for cozy evenings spent roasting marshmallows and enjoying the warmth of a crackling fire with family and friends. With careful planning and thoughtful design, you can transform your backyard into a stylish and functional outdoor retreat that you'll love spending time in year-round. Whether you're hosting summer barbecues, enjoying quiet mornings with a cup of coffee, or stargazing under the night sky, your backyard is sure to become a favorite destination for relaxation and enjoyment.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!